So in the last 20 years, and especially in the last 10 years, the scientific study of religion has really taken off. And scientists from across the disciplines of psychology, anthropology, and biology have converged on evolutionary theory as a foundation or framework guiding their research. Now, this convergence on evolution is a good thing, since when science is on the right track, theories do converge. There were at one point several theories describing the structure of the solar system, and now there's just one with the sun at the center. But in a sense, this just pushes the problem back, because what we now find is that we have several different evolutionary theories explaining religious belief and behavior. So the question remains, how to continue this convergence within the domain of evolutionary explanation. And there are really two problems here, based on two ways the theories can be distinct or different. One is for them to be literally conflicting or opposing. One theory says that certain events will happen, and another theory predicts that those same events will not happen. But theories can also be different by virtue of being, so to speak, just different. They don't make opposing predictions. They just predict different specific sorts of observations. And this is the kind of problem described in the ancient parable of the 6 blind men and the elephant, where each of the 6 men, touching a different part of the elephant, can report truly to the others what it is he observes, but between the 6 of them, they can't figure out that it's an elephant that they're touching. As a philosopher rather than a scientist, this is the kind of problem that my research addresses. So let me give you an example from the literature. There's a debate about whether religion is adaptive at all, but even those who agree that it is adaptive offer different accounts of what it's an adaptation for. Some appeal to the adaptive value of altruism, or helping others even at some cost to yourself. That would explain observations like this one on your left of a missionary nursing a sick man even if he may be contagious. But altruism wouldn't explain why somebody might put a knife through their own tongue, like this Hindu devotee at the Thaipusam festival. That's explained by a theory called costly signaling theory that appeals to the adaptive value of signaling your devotion or commitment to religious and moral principles to other members of your group. But that doesn't explain altruistic behavior, and neither of these theories explains why we observe synchronized movement in so many religious rituals and ceremonies, as we see in the third image there. So the purpose of my research is to find the elephant here, or at least large parts of it, and to identify general concepts, commitments, and connections that will enable us to integrate these disparate theories, leaving us with just one theory, one scientific view of religion. Thanks.